Hello, my name is Ayo Orimoloye, Staff Engineer at Qualcomm Technologies. In this tutorial video, I'll cover multi-sample anti-aliasing using C++ native code. Let's start by defining aliasing. Here's a sample to show you what it is. Notice the jagged edges or stair steps. This is aliasing. Anti-aliasing tries to eliminate these jagged edges by blending. Note how the pixels have been blended with the background in this image. This specific version is multi-sample anti-aliasing or MSAA. Zooming in, we can see how multi-sample anti-aliasing works. Now I will describe it on a pixel level. The red, green, blue, and yellow dots represent the sampling positions. As seen on the top left corner, the red, green, and yellow dots sample the blue background color or 0, 0, and 0.5. And the blue dot samples the white foreground color or 1, 1, 1. This results in a final RGB pixel value of 0.25, 0.25, and 0.625 as seen on the right. The same happens in the bottom right corner. For the top right corner, all 4 dots sample the blue background color. And finally, for the bottom left corner, the red, blue, and yellow dots sample the white foreground color, and the green dot samples the blue background color, resulting in a value of 0.75, 0.75, and 0.875 for the bottom left pixel. To enable anti-aliasing, enable EGL sample buffers in your attributes that will be passed to the EGL choose config. Also specify the number of samples using EGL samples. To disable anti-aliasing, disable EGL sample buffers in your attributes that will be passed to EGL choose config. Also specify 0 samples using EGL samples. For 2x MSAA, enable sample buffers and specify 2 samples. Texture parameters control how the texture is sampled. GL linear and GL nearest are the least expensive. Better and slower results are obtained with GL nearest mipmap nearest, GL linear mipmap nearest, GL nearest mipmap linear, and GL linear mipmap linear. This is because multi-sampling results in more sampling of the texture, so texture modes that use more sampling are hence costlier with multi-sampling. GL sample coverage specifies the coverage of the modification mask. This value specifies how much of the fragment is covered, where 1.0 means the full fragment is covered. See the 4x MSAA example. And 0.0 means none of the fragment is covered. Let's look at a demo showing 2x MSAA. And let's take a look at another demo showing 4x MSAA. Thank you for watching. Visit Qualcomm Developer Network to learn more about graphics and tools on Qualcomm Technologies mobile hardware.